Mistplay. Advanced limits can get stuck when the app does not update your account status correctly, or when the system has not completed the required checks for your account. By the end, you'll know the common reasons a Mistplay advanced limit stays stuck and the steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. First, check your Mistplay account status inside the app. A stuck limit can happen when your account information, activity, or eligibility status has not refreshed properly. Start by closing Mistplay completely and reopening the app. This forces the app to reload your account information and can fix temporary display issues. Next, check whether Mistplay has an available update. Open your device's App Store, search for Mistplay, and install any pending update. App updates can fix bugs that affect account features. You should also check your internet connection before trying again. A weak connection can stop the app from loading the latest account information. If the advanced limit still shows the same status, log out of your Mistplay account and sign back in. This refreshes your session and may update account details that are not displaying correctly. Another step is clearing the app cache if you are using Android. Go to your phone settings, open the app section, select Mistplay, and clear the cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account. Avoid creating multiple Mistplay accounts or changing account details repeatedly while troubleshooting. Account changes can create additional verification issues. If none of these steps work, contact Mistplay support through the app. To include your account email, device model, operating system version, and a description of where the advanced limit gets stuck. This helps support identify the problem faster. The main fixes are refreshing your Mistplay session, updating the app, checking your connection, and contacting support if the limit does not change. Your next step is to update Mistplay, restart the app, and check your account again before contacting support. Subscribe for more Mistplay fixes, payout guides, and app troubleshooting tips.